Is your Nintendo Switch charging slowly with the official adapter? Imagine plugging in your Nintendo Switch to enjoy a quick gaming session or to power up before heading out. But instead of the rapid charge you expect, the device seems to be taking forever to reach full battery. This common concern prompts many to wonder whether the official charging adapter is functioning properly or if something else is affecting the process. The Nintendo Switch comes with a proprietary power adapter designed specifically for its charging needs. This adapter provides a maximum output of 5 volts and 3 amperes, which equates to 15 watts of power. Under ideal conditions, this should charge the device efficiently. However, several factors can influence the charging speed even when using the official adapter. One primary factor is the power source itself. If the adapter is plugged into a power outlet that has inconsistent voltage or is sharing a socket with high-power devices such as refrigerators or space heaters, the charging rate can slow down. Using a surge protector or plugging directly into a wall outlet can help ensure stable power delivery. Another aspect to consider is the condition of the charging cable and port. Over time, cables can become frayed or damaged, and ports can accumulate dust or debris. These issues can impede the flow of electricity, resulting in slower charging. Inspecting and cleaning the port gently with a soft brush or compressed air can improve contact. The device's usage during charging also impacts the speed. If the Nintendo Switch is being used heavily while charging, especially playing graphics-intensive games or streaming content, it may draw more power than the adapter supplies. This causes the battery level to increase slowly or even decrease during use. To maximize charging efficiency, it is advisable to pause gameplay or reduce screen brightness while charging. Battery health plays a role as well. Over time, lithium-ion batteries degrade, which can lead to slower charging times. If the device is several years old or has experienced frequent full discharges, the battery's capacity to accept charge may diminish, making it seem like the device is charging slowly despite using the original adapter. Lastly, firmware updates and software settings can influence charging behavior. Ensuring the Nintendo Switch's system software is up to date can optimize power management features. Additionally, enabling the device to enter sleep mode during charging can sometimes improve overall charging performance. In summary, while the official Nintendo Switch adapter is designed to charge the device efficiently, various external and internal factors can cause slow charging. Checking the power source, inspecting cables and ports, minimizing device usage during charging, and maintaining battery health can all contribute to faster, more reliable charging experiences.